Gently exfoliates, skin feels cleared of impurities. Skin looks more radiant and pores look refined. Coffee. Coffee is a great exfoliator and potent in B vitamins that promote healthy cell turnover and improve skin hydration. Offers anti-aging benefits. The exfoliating coffee face mask wipes out all the dead skin cells, promotes blood circulation, and makes your skin smooth, soft, and brighter. Honey. It gives skin that healthy, dewy glow we all want without leaving the skin looking oily or shiny. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, rose water can reduce skin redness and puffiness. It is also commonly used to soothe the irritation of acne and rosacea. Jewel flower. Keep the skin look healthy and glow naturally. Apply to your face. Leave the mask on between 15 and 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Repeat up to 3 times per week.